time I got that heat, let's go.
All right, guys, Pixel Watch 4. Is it any good? Well, this is a 1, 2, 3, and 4. These all look the same. Now, I picked this up. I've actually had this for several weeks. I just was waiting to start the review period because I have so many things going on at once. I wanted to make sure I give the proper time to the watch. So, with that said, I charged it to 100, and I'm starting my journey today on Monday the 10th. Again, even though this has been sitting for weeks, I really need to get this thing going. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Let you see the hardware. It's literally the same watch as these other watches, man. I mean, like, if I were to line these up and show them to you, you wouldn't be able to tell me which one is the 4 unless I talked about the charging. And so this is the charging, man. This is the new dock. And it's so funny because when I was getting out my things out of the box, I was like, why isn't my charger working? And come to find out, yeah, I definitely forgot about the new docking station type charger that they have. And so what it is, the watch sits in magnetically like this, and then it'll start to charge once it's powered on. Oh, I'm powered on here. I got a little, there we go. And it'll start to charge. You can see it's already at 100 because I allowed it to charge to 100 already. But this is the new docking station. And, I don't know how I feel about this. Google has changed their charging station 3 times, like their charging connector. They've charged it 3 times. Now, are they trying to perfect something? I don't know. On the one, it's a smooth surface, and you can see how it looks back here. This is a little smooth surface that connects to it. And on the 2, you can see here, this is when they changed it. It's got the 4 magnetic connecting pins there. And then on the 3, it is the same thing. It is the 4 connecting pins there. But on this one, you've got smooth, but you have a dock. So it's kind of, I'm curious about how this will pan out, how I'll like this docking station. It's cool and everything, but just wanted to give you a first impressions. Hardware is the same, folks. I just need to focus on battery and how the software handles itself. And then that's going to be it for this watch. I mean, it's not really any different than hardware-wise than any of these other ones. Yeah, I have a Hazel one as well for the Watch 1. It's a LTE Hazel one that I have. But I didn't, it's kind of like a collector for me because I really like that Hazel. It's the gold one. It's the gold around here. It's really nice. I really like that. So I will, in fact, this today starts my review period for, this watch. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully this battery is good. Hopefully the watch performs well. And I'm excited about it. So we'll see how this works out. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy first impressions, unboxing, hardware. It's cool so far, but let's see what it is in a week.